In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Teamviewer license in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business or an individual user, this guide will walk you through each step to get you set up seamlessly. To start, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you normally use. Type Teamviewer into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see their official website among the top results. Next, you'll want to log in. At the top right corner of the Teamviewer homepage, you'll find the Log In option. Go ahead and click that. You can log in using your email or your organization's single sign-on if that's available for you. If you don't have a Teamviewer account yet, there's a straightforward option to sign up and begin. It's important to be logged into your account to purchase the license that best fits your needs. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings. Look for an icon that resembles a gear, which is the universal symbol for settings. It's usually located at the top, near your profile, or on the sidebar once you're inside your account view. Clicking on the gear icon will bring up the settings menu. Now, over in the left sidebar of the settings page, there should be a section labeled Licenses. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to a page that summarizes your current license status and options for expansion or upgrades. This is where you'll manage all of your licenses and subscriptions. Navigating through this clearly labeled sidebar should be relatively intuitive. You should see the option to upgrade license. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page that lays out the various license tiers and their associated benefits. Teamviewer offers different licenses depending on your requirements, from personal use to large-scale business needs. Once you've compared your options and have a clear idea of what you need, click on the Buy Now button associated with your chosen license. This will take you to the payment section. Teamviewer typically outlines their pricing transparently, and this is also where you might find options for monthly or annual subscription plans. Finally, it's time to include your payment details. Fill in all the necessary billing information, double-check to avoid any errors, and proceed to complete the purchase. Make sure your details are up to date to prevent any interruption in your service. Once done, you'll get a confirmation, and your license should be active shortly thereafter. And that's it. You've just purchased your Teamviewer license quickly and efficiently. This streamlined process should allow you to get back to work or play without hassle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like or share this video.